In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make between 5,000 naira and 7 to 10,000 naira a day from the comfort of your home if you're living here in Nigeria. I've made so many other videos on how you can make money online even if you're not living in Nigeria. I've made a video on 8 genuine websites where you can make money doing some little tasks. I have also made so many other videos on how you can make money online even if you're not living in Nigeria, even if you're living in other African countries and other countries apart from Africa, and also Nigeria can also utilize these platforms and also make money. But in this particular video, the platform I'm going to show in this video is only meant for Nigerians, those of us that are living in Nigeria, how you can make up to 5,000 to 10,000 naira a day doing some little tasks. And the good thing about this platform is you don't need a PayPal, Payoneer, or other payment gateway. The money that you make, that you earn on this platform is being paid directly to your local bank account here in Nigeria. So you don't need a PayPal, you don't need a Payoneer, you don't need all those payment gateway to collect your money. You will put your own local bank account and receive your money directly in your local bank account. So if you would like to know how to make up to 5 to 7, 10,000 naira daily, I will advise you to calm down and make sure you watch this video to the end. So let's jump right into my laptop. Let me show you guys how you can make between 5,000 naira and 10,000 naira a day doing some little task. So open a new browser and type nairaworkers.com. I'll leave a link in the description below this video in case if you want to sign up. You can use my referral link to sign up. The good thing about this nairaworkers.com is they will pay you directly into your bank account. You don't need a PayPal, Payoneer, or any other process if you're living in Nigeria and you want to collect the money that you've earned in this website. So go to register. And once you go to register, it will require you to put your first name, your last name, username, specify if you're a man or a woman, email, referral, that is optional, password, and confirm your password. Then you click on sign up. And we're going to do that just now. So once you're done filling your information, the next thing you need to do is click on sign up. Activation code has been sent to your email. So you need to open the email that you used in signing up by going to the email. As you can see, Naira Workers account. So use this code and verify the Naira Worker. Come here and paste it. Activate account. And as you can see here, success, your account has been activated. So the next thing you need to do is to go to dashboard. So once you get to this dashboard, you can see here, hire many random workers. If you're looking to do a job and to earn money from this website, you don't need to click here. But if you want to give out jobs that you want people to do for you and you pay them, that is when you need to click here. So, but if you want to earn money by doing some little task, you have to click on perform simple, small task and earn money. So click here and it will take you to the next page. Now, when you get here, available jobs, always check back for more jobs. There are so many jobs here. This one, as you can see, Telegram channel, 7.20, 7 naira 20 kobo. But I will advise you, if you join this site and if you want to earn more money, if you look up here, you will see most recent. Then if you look here, you will see highest paying. So if you want to earn very good money, you have to go to this highest paying. All these ones are little money, but it takes nothing. By the time you do all these little tasks for an hour, because this one doesn't take time, you get up to 5 to 7 to 1,000 naira. But if you go over here, highest paying jobs, and click on highest paying, it will bring you up to the next page where you will see a higher fee. As you can see, this one is 400 naira. If you perform this task, you will get 400 naira. L Credit, withdraw instant 100 naira from app. 400 from me. You already have account with L Credit. This job is not for you. So if you want to do this job, you have to click here, view job, and know what you are required to do. As you can see here, your friend invites you to use L Credit. Register now to receive 100 cash voucher immediately. If you successfully borrow money, you can withdraw 1,000 cash reward immediately and 400. When you come back, submit proof of work. So if you go through this, if you think it's something you can do, go through, make sure you read everything that you're required to do before starting the job so that you know exactly what you're meant to do. So once you're done, if you're using your phone, you can munch the screen of your phone and come here, choose file and submit the file. If you're using your laptop, you can click on print screen. Once you click on print screen, open Paint in your laptop. Let me click on print screen and show you guys. There's a print screen button on your laptop. Once you click on it, it takes a picture of the screen of your laptop. Then come to Paint and Ctrl V, paste it. Once you paste it, you save that file. Save as, you can save it as PNG file on your desktop. Then upload that proof. I'm just showing you guys in case if you're using a laptop. So you can munch like 2 or 3 proofs and add them here, then click on submit. But make sure you read through all this so that you will know exactly what you are meant to do. There are so many jobs here that you can earn. As you can see here, this one is 310 naira. This one is PalmPay app, only new users. If you click on it, view job, you take it to the next page. What is expected from worker? Help me claim my PalmPay cash reward. And you can also get your cash reward too. Follow my link to give a hand with your mobile number. Download and register with number you use to give a hand on the app. So you click on this link and that's it. Once you perform this task, you get 310 naira. So likewise, other ones, that's 230, 220, 210. So by the time you do just only 5 of these jobs, you will earn nothing less than 1,000 naira in 1 hour. And most of these jobs takes only 4 minutes, 5 minutes, depending on how fast you are. So in an hour, you can do up to like 4 or 5 jobs and you get up to 1,000 naira per hour, or even more than 1,000 naira in an hour. So by the time you do this job for up to 5 hours, you will earn nothing less than 5,000 naira every day, because there are so many tasks here that is undone. There's the one of 100 naira, there's the one of 200, there's different tasks, but always go for the bigger ones if you want to earn more. So by the time you do this for up to 5 hours, you earn up to 5,000 naira a day. Now, if you compare this with people that are being paid 30,000 naira a month, that have to wake up in the morning and go to the office and stay from morning till night just to get 30,000 naira a month, you will see that this is better, because if you can be able to spend that same time that you spend in an office where you are being paid 30K a month, you will see that you can make that 30K on this platform within a week. And you're not stepping out from your house. All you need is just a laptop and you'll be at your own comfort and you'll be doing these jobs. So earning 30,000 naira a week is quite very easy. And you can do this Monday to Sunday. It's not only Monday to Friday, at your own comfort. So when you check and compare, if you really pay attention to this and put more time and interest in this, you will see that you will earn more money through this platform than having a job of 30K a month. And inside that 30K, you will still spend transport money. You will still spend from morning till night. And at the end of 30 days or 31 days, you will get 30,000 naira a month. So for those of you that really wants to make money online, this is a very good platform for you to make money online. And there are always jobs on this platform. Okay? So for those of you that would like to utilize this platform and make money, it's always open for anybody living in Nigeria. And the good thing about this platform is if you want to withdraw your money, you don't need to withdraw it through PayPal. You can withdraw your money directly to your local bank account if you're living here in Nigeria. Once you earn money, you can go to withdraw and you withdraw your money directly to your local bank account. If this is your very first time of watching my video, my name is Asuike Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how you can make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new apps and games in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss my content, make sure you hit the subscription button and turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.